All right, let me just talk to ladies for a second. Funa ukukhuluma nje nabantu besifazane for a second. There are two principles esiphiwe zona from our cultures ukuthi indoda, a man is a provider and it's a protector, and a woman is a submitter. Uyasubmitter kumuntu wesilisa. Now, ethi ngikhulume nabantu besifazane kancane, if you say you submit endodeni, yini osukuyibhekile? If you say you submit, ithi ngenivula amehlo bosisi, if there's nothing to submit to, don't waste your time. Indoda kumele ukuthi ibe ne-mission for you to submit. That is why the word submission, it says you sub under a mission. If a man has got a mission, kusho ukuthi nawe you come and help the mission of a man. It's very dangerous ukufika uthola umuntu nje akana goal akana lutho, it's not goal driven, akana plan ukuthi i-future inani. Net yena ufuna ukuzibona alala avuka every day, no plan for business, no nothing. That person has no mission. What is it that you're gonna submit to? You need someone who's got a mission so you can sub under the mission. That's where the word submission come about. You need to submit to a destiny. You're not submitting to a person that you see, but you need to submit to a destiny, which both of you need to submit to a destination. Submit to someone who's got a vision in life. If you having goals, make sure ukuthi uthola umuntu ozomatcha your thinking capacity. If that someone does not meet your thinking capacity, just know ukuthi uzoba muhle agcoke kahle ubhuti ahambe kahle afanelwe impahla, but then ekugcineni ukhumbule ukuthi amalanga ayahamba isikhathi siyadlula, you will end up with nothing. Submit to someone who's got a thinking capacity efana neyakho or similar, umuntu o goal driven, then you can submit.